So we're going to be looking today at the Windows 7 skills and certification tracks provided by Global Knowledge. My name is Craig Brown. I'm the Chief Technical Architect for Global Knowledge's Microsoft product line in North America. You can find me at craig.brown@globalknowledge.com after this for more information, or call our 1-800-COURSES number and they'll be able to assist you as well. The Windows 7, it provides an opportunity for you to learn about skills-based training through our skills-based courses. We have 3 primary courses that are going to be in market now, and we're adding to that set of courses as we go along. So always check our globalknowledge.com website to find the latest information. The first area that we've got is a way to introduce you to the skills area of Windows 7. And we've got a series of what are called first look courses. So you'll be able to take those. Those are really just one-day looks into Windows 7. We provide them both in instructor-led and virtual classroom, which means that you'll be getting on through your web browser at home or work or wherever you happen to be at and listening to me and talking to me in a live virtual session. The second one is really our major or basic course that's going to cover all of Windows 7, and that's called the Implementing and Administering Windows 7 in the Enterprise. It really takes a look at how Windows 7 plays as a client in Microsoft Windows architecture for the enterprise. The third one is for those XP specialists out there, and that's an updating course so that you can take your information and skill set that you have from Windows XP and translate that to the Windows 7 product line. In the Windows 7 certification tracks, there are really 3 primary tracks. The entry-level track or entry-level certification is called Windows 7, and it is a technical specialist configuration certification. It is a single test known as 70-680. If you take the courses that are skills-based and do some additional studying on how Microsoft asks tests, you should be well prepared to take that certification. There's also 2 other tracks that are available for you. One is called the Windows 7 Desktop Administrator Certification, and this is part of the Microsoft Certified IT Professional track, or what is known as the MCITP. It consists of 2 exams, the 70-680, which is the configuration exam, and an additional exam called 70-686. That is a professional level exam that provides information about Windows and the enterprise and the desktop operations system. For instance, things like how to group policies, figure in and play with that individual product set out on Windows 7. So that's Desktop Administrator, and it's really built as the second tier, if you will, of the certification track for Windows Windows 7. The third track that Microsoft has produced and announced last week, or at the Windows Partner Conference, is Windows 7 Enterprise Desktop Support Technician 7. And this is really the next generation, if you will, of their enterprise support technology from Vista. This actually has 3 tests that you have to take associated with it. Of course, the 70-680, which is that base configuration exam, the 70-685, which is your pro-level exam for the enterprise desktop support technician, and also Microsoft has reached out to the Help Desk Institute. You will need to take one of the electives from the Help Desk Institute, known as the Help Desk Institute Support Center Analyst, the HDI SCA, and or the Help Desk Institute Desktop Support Technician, the HDI.DST. So one of those 2 will become your elective. If you happen to already hold a previous credential in the MCITP Enterprise Support range, you'll be allowed to take the 70-682 exam, which will grant you those 2 underlying exams, 70-680 and 70-685. So really you only have to take, if you're already certified on Vista, you would only have to take the 70-682 and 1 elective, one of the 2 electives. Microsoft at Global Knowledge, we are a Triple Crown winner from the Redmond Magazine's Boot Camp Certification prize winner for the last 3 years. We're taking our patented type of design and educational technology and applying it to these new certification boot camps. So we will have a certification boot camp in market. When you're looking at this, it'll probably already be in market pending the release of the Microsoft certification exams, but we're planning one and have one already underway right now for the MCITP Enterprise Desktop Support Technician Certification 7 exam. It's a boot camp. You might see it referred to as the EDST 7. Right now that's planned for 6 days, so you'll be taking a test every other day through your boot camp. In our standard design that we do now for our Server 2003, our Server 2008 boot camps, we're also going to place out into market the MCITP Desktop Administrator Boot Camp. Pending on your level of expertise coming in, that'll either be a 4 or 5 day boot camp. So come join us with those boot camps out there. They are rigorous. They are a different type of way of learning. They're not really designed for skills. They're designed for around certification to get you through those exams. One additional thing that I wanted to bring up to you in our short little clip here is that Microsoft has been releasing for several years now what are known as software assurance credits. These software assurance credits give you free days of training at an organization like Global Knowledge. We're one of the partners that Microsoft has chosen to be able to redeem your software assurance vouchers. So you can redeem those with us for days of training. And what's really kind of sad about this operation is Microsoft gives those away to corporations, and hundreds of millions of dollars of those free training days go unused every year. And they can take you and move you into our training classes absolutely free of charge. Microsoft provides those to your corporation. You just have to find out who has those vouchers inside your organization. But as Microsoft points out, somewhere around about 80% of those vouchers go unredeemed. So find out who has the software assurance training vouchers inside your organization and make sure that you redeem those with Global Knowledge, and we'll provide the training for you. I want to say thanks for staying with me for a few minutes and looking at the Windows 7 certification track. You can always find us at www.globalknowledge.com.